Are you someone who have no idea how to invest in the stock market? This video is for you. For Indian stocks, you can start by investing a small amount of money into ETF on a monthly basis. Index ETF, HDFC Sensex ETF, SBI Nifty ETF, Gold ETF, Birla Sun Life Gold ETF, Invesco India Gold ETF, SBI Gold ETF, Sector ETF, Nippon India ETF Consumption, Nippon India ETF Infra Bs, Kotak NB20 ETF, Bond ETF, Nippon India ETF Long Term Gilt, SBI ETF 10-year Gilt, LIC MFG SEC, Global Market ETF, Nippon India ETF Hang Seng Bs, Edelweiss ETF Bank, Best Index ETF, Best Gold ETF, Best Sector ETF, Best Bond ETF, Best Global ETF. For US stocks, follow Computer Geeks.